So if you have a Samsung French door refrigerator, now we had a spill on the glass. So I look and search online on how to clean this up, and what I found out is that there is a lock in between those two. So if you pull that, my alarm is alarming again. So if you push that, and I use a small screwdriver because it's really hard if you use your fingers. So I just pull it, push this too, and on the other side simultaneously, that thing right there. So just push that, then it pops up right there. So now I can take this, and then there is a latch for the glass so you can clean it up. You take the tray out of the fridge, put it on a flat surface upside down, and there is a clip right there, these two. So you have to push them towards each other so that the clip will detach. So one here and one on the other side, those two. So I'm gonna use either pliers or a screwdriver again, 2 screwdrivers to push them so that we can detach or take the glass and clean it up. So now I detach, so this is the thing that's inside it, so it's taken out. So then both sides, so when you pull it, the glass is now, you can take the glass out and clean it. So I flip the tray again, so now I can now take the, because the latch is not taken out, so then I can pull this glass and clean it up. That's how to clean the tray. All right, so now I clean the glass, took out the glass, and now to place it back, all you have to do is to lay the glass back into its tray, and then all you have to do is to push this clip. See, just like this one. Just push it back, and then you're good to go. Just like that. There. Now the glass is stable. You are now ready to put it back into the fridge. Thanks for watching.